Hi, how are you today? Today is the seventh assignment. We are almost at the half of the workshop. We are still working in discovering our feelings, but we will soon enter into more concrete exercises, so keep going. Today we will do an interesting exercise from creative writing. We will imagine our feelings as a character from a book. It's really common to take one emotion, one event, and transform it into the character. This is how we create the distance, and we can look at it from the far and widen our self-awareness. So grab a piece of paper and a pen and let's start. The feelings that this character represents is your feelings about giving birth. Try to imagine this character really vividly. How does the character looks? How do they walk? What facial expressions do they have? What is their voice like? Where do they live? Do they live alone? How is their surroundings? Do they live in a pleasant home? Are they surrounded by a pleasant people or not? How do they behave towards others and towards themselves? These are the questions that will help you imagine this character. And once you are done with describing this character, do the body scan, naming the emotion, and breathing exercise. And we see each other in the 8th assignment.